Yeah,
Wait, what? 10 minutes?
yeah, I've got big plans.
The new and improved microwave. FDA approved and this totally not sketchy website. Do not use blah blah blah, skip the boring part of cooking and get it quick with Mike.
Hello, and thank you for choosing Mike the Microwave Boy. Please select un número, je vous remercie. For English, press 1. Para español, primo número 2. Thank you for selecting English.
Alright, so I don't have much time and you work, so can you make a sandwich?
Error. I have not been programmed to do that. Please use the green card to initiate a command.
I forgot the sandwich.
Okay.
You know what? Let's also set up the table. Let's put up the silverware. Make sure the silverware is nice and clear and not that darkish type of silver. You know. Let's also make some plates up. The glasses are important. Let's also get the tablecloth. Oh, make sure the knife is put on the right side and the fork is put onto the left side. And then make sure that the chairs are pulled out 20 degrees. Yes, Mom, I took my ointment. Oh, hey, Chrissy. Yeah, I'm all ready. I was wondering maybe after we eat, we can go like to the movies and watch something. Oh, yeah, I forgot. You don't like movies. Then, yeah, okay, I'll see you then.
Hey Dave.
Chrissy, it's been a long time.
Yeah, it's great to see you. Sorry I came a little early. I hope I didn't ruin any. Hey, your house looks beautiful.
Oh, thank you. I live in it.
Okay.
Mike?
Dave, this looks wonderful. Did your brother help set this up? I didn't know you had a brother.
My brother? Yeah, he did.
Don't use it, Dave.
Command you to stop.
No, you abused my power, Dave. I warned you. You pushed my buttons for too long. You shall be terminated.
Whoa! You can't hurt me! You're just a microwave boy! You have nothing against me! I'm a real boy!
I think your brother's broken.
Siblings, you know. He thinks he's a robot. Look, I'm so sorry. I thought if I show off a bit more, we could be more than just friends, but I could have just used an oven instead.
Hey, I get it. Not the whole your brother acting all weird or anything, but don't worry about it.
So, you want to go get some food?
Sure, as long as it's not microwave.